Top 10 most expensive private jets owned by celebrities. 10. Bill Gates, $66 million Bombardier 8000 9. Larry Page, $70 million Gulfstream G650ER. 8. Kylie Jenner, $73 million Bombardier Global Express. 7. Mukesh Ambani, $73 million Boeing Business. The impressive Boeing business jet stands majestically at an exclusive airport. 6. Richard Branson, $75 million Dassault Falcon 50X. 5. Elon Musk, $78 million Gulfstream G700. The Gulfstream G700 parked on a private runway, showcasing its impressive size. 4. Donald Trump, $100 million Boeing 757. 3. Tyler Perry, $125 million Gulfstream IAD-22. Kim Kardashian, $150 million Gulfstream G650ER. And 1. Drake, $185 million Boeing 767. The Boeing 767 stands tall, showcasing Drake's logo and